Walking into a grocery store in 2025 can feel like stepping into a financial trap. Prices are climbing faster than ever, and that packaging? It's designed to mislead you. Trust me, behind every convenient item is a clever tactic to quietly drain your wallet. But I'm here to expose the biggest money traps lurking in those aisles. We're talking about those everyday items you throw into your cart without a second thought, the ones that seem harmless but are secretly sabotaging your budget. Hit that like button and subscribe to Frugal Daily for more tips on saving money, because today we're diving deep into 10 grocery items that are draining your wallet and showing you how to stop the leak, starting right now. We all love a little indulgence in our morning coffee, but those so-called specialty coffee creamers, they're one of the biggest ripoffs in the grocery store. You're paying a premium for fancy flavors and artificial ingredients that you can easily recreate at home for pennies on the dollar. Think about it. You're essentially paying for flavored sugar and oil, marked up to the extreme. A simple calculation will show you just how much you're overspending. Take a look at the price per ounce of that specialty creamer, then compare it to the cost of milk or cream, a splash of vanilla extract, and maybe a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg. The difference is staggering. You could be saving hundreds of dollars per year by simply making your own coffee creamer at home. Plus, you'll have complete control over the ingredients, avoiding all those unnecessary additives and preservatives. So ditch the overpriced, chemical-laden specialty creamers and treat yourself to a delicious homemade alternative. We just talked about spices, but let's dive a little deeper into this trap, because those tiny spice jars lining the grocery store shelves, they're some of the most overpriced items in the entire store. Seriously, the markup on those things is astronomical. Think about it. You're paying for the convenience of a small jar, but you're getting a tiny amount of spice at an exorbitant price. Here's a far more frugal and flavorful approach. Buy your spices in bulk. You can often find large containers of spices at ethnic grocery stores or online for a fraction of the cost per ounce. Plus, buying in bulk ensures you'll always have fresh, potent spices on hand. Don't be afraid to explore different spice markets or online retailers for the best deals. You'll be amazed at the variety and affordability you'll find. Remember, it's all about breaking free from the convenience trap and embracing a more mindful, cost-effective approach to grocery shopping. We all know that smoothies can be a quick and healthy breakfast or snack, but those pre-packaged frozen smoothie packs? They're often a blend of convenience and overpriced ingredients. You're essentially paying a premium for someone else to chop up some fruit and toss it in a bag. Let's break down why these packs are a wallet drainer. First, they're heavily marked up compared to buying the ingredients separately. The good news is, making your own smoothie packs at home is incredibly easy and far more cost-effective. Simply chop up your favorite fruits, portion them into freezer-safe bags, and freeze. When you're ready for a smoothie, just toss a bag into your blender with your choice of liquid and blend until smooth. By creating your own smoothie packs, you control the ingredients, avoid unnecessary additives, and save a significant amount of money. Grocery stores are filled with aisles upon aisles of cleaning products, each promising to be the best at banishing dirt and grime. But here's the secret. Most name-brand cleaning products contain the same active ingredients as the generic versions. Think about it. You're paying a premium for the fancy packaging, the recognizable brand name, and the persuasive marketing campaigns. But when it comes down to it, store-brand cleaners often get the job done just as well for a fraction of the price. Don't be fooled by the flashy labels and enticing scents. Take a look at the ingredient list and compare it to the generic alternative. You'll likely find that they're nearly identical. Opt for store-brand or DIY options and keep more money in your pocket. We've all been there. It's been a long day, you're short on time, and a pre-made salad kit seems like the perfect solution for a quick and healthy dinner. But let's be real. These kits are often a high-priced bundle of disappointment. The lettuce is wilted, the toppings are sparse, and the dressing is either too much or not enough. Plus, you're paying a premium for the convenience of having everything pre-chopped and packaged. Here's a far more frugal and satisfying approach. Buy fresh ingredients and make your own salads. Head to the produce section and stock up on your favorite greens, veggies, and toppings. Not only will you save money by building your own salads, but you'll also enjoy fresher, more flavorful meals. Plus, you can customize your salads to your liking, adding in your favorite protein sources, healthy fats, and dressings. Spend some time on the weekend washing and chopping your veggies, and you'll have the foundation for delicious, budget-friendly salads all week long. We all know staying hydrated is important, but stocking up on bulk bottled water might seem like a smart move, but it's actually a deceptive long-term money drain. Those cases of water might seem like a good deal at the time, but the costs add up quickly, especially when you consider the environmental impact. Think about it. You're essentially paying for something that's readily available from your tap. Here's a far more frugal and sustainable solution. Invest in a high-quality water filter. A good water filter will remove impurities from your tap water, providing you with clean, great-tasting water at a fraction of the cost of bottled water. You can choose from a variety of water filter options, including pitcher filters, faucet filters, and whole-house filtration systems. Find one that fits your budget and lifestyle, and you'll be amazed at how much money and plastic waste you save over time. By switching to filtered water, you're not only saving money but also making a conscious choice to reduce your environmental footprint. We all love the convenience of pre-shredded cheese, but here's the thing. It often comes at a cost, both to your wallet and your taste buds. Pre-shredded cheese is coated with anti-caking agents that prevent it from clumping together in the bag, but these agents can also interfere with how the cheese melts and tastes. Think about it. You're paying a premium for someone else to shred the cheese, and you're sacrificing flavor and texture in the process. Here's a far tastier and more cost-effective approach. Buy a block of cheese and grate it yourself. It takes just a few minutes, and the difference in flavor and texture is noticeable. Plus, you'll save money and reduce packaging waste. If you're short on time, you can even grate a large block of cheese at once and store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Ditch the pre-shredded cheese and embrace the flavor and savings of grating your own. Individually wrapped snacks might seem like a convenient option, but they're one of the biggest culprits of the convenience markup at the grocery store. Those single-serving bags of chips, crackers, and cookies might seem harmless, but they're costing you a small fortune in the long run. Think about it. You're paying for the convenience of portion control and portability, but you're getting significantly less product for your money. Here's a far more frugal and eco-friendly approach. Buy snacks in bulk and portion them out yourself. Invest in some reusable containers or snack bags, and you'll be amazed at how much money you save. Plus, buying in bulk often gives you access to a wider variety of flavors and options. You're no longer limited to the pre-packaged selections at the grocery store. Break free from the individually wrapped snack trap and embrace a more mindful and budget-friendly approach to snacking. Remember those colorful cereal boxes with the cartoon mascots that lined the breakfast aisle when you were a kid? They might evoke a sense of nostalgia, but those brand-name cereal boxes have become one of the sneakiest sources of overspending in the grocery store. Think about it. You're paying a premium for the brand recognition, the marketing campaigns, and the colorful packaging. But when it comes down to it, store-brand cereals often have nearly identical ingredients and taste just as good for a lower price. Don't be fooled by the cartoon mascots and catchy slogans. Take a look at the ingredient list and the nutritional information of both the brand name and the store brand options. You'll likely be surprised at how similar they are. Consider exploring alternative breakfast options that are even more budget-friendly and nutritious, like oatmeal, overnight oats, or eggs. Opt for store brand cereals or explore alternative breakfast options to save money without sacrificing taste or nutrition. We all know that eating plenty of fruits and vegetables is essential for a healthy diet. But those pre-cut fruits and veggies? They're often a prime example of the convenience markup in action. While they might seem like a time saver, they're costing you a premium in the long run. Think about it. You're paying for someone else to wash, chop, and package the produce, and you're often getting lower quality and a shorter shelf life in return. Here's a far more frugal and flavorful approach. Buy whole produce and chop it yourself. Not only will you save money, but you'll also enjoy fresher, more flavorful fruits and veggies. Plus, you'll have more control over the portion sizes and reduce unnecessary packaging waste. Wash and chop your fruits and veggies for the week ahead and store them in airtight containers in the refrigerator. Ditch the pre-cut produce and embrace the freshness and savings of preparing your own. So there you have it, 10 grocery items that are secretly draining your wallet. Which one of these caught you off guard? Have you been buying any of these without realizing the markup you're paying for convenience? Let's create the ultimate don't buy list together. Drop a comment below and share which of these items you're going to stop buying and any other grocery store traps you've uncovered on your frugal journey. If this video helped you become a more informed and savvy shopper, tap that like button and subscribe to Frugal Daily for more money-saving tips and tricks. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.